Hello, my name is Van Smith, Managing Partner here at Smith Strong Law Firm in Richmond, Virginia. And today I'm delighted to introduce Sarah Abigail Acheson, and we call her Abby, as an attorney here at Smith Strong. Abby joins us after having a robust clerkship at Hanover Circuit Court here locally. And she brings that law clerkship to bear for our clients in family law matters, such as divorce and custody matters and adoption cases. Also estate litigation matters like trust disputes, will contests, fiduciary disputes, and partition suits, that is dividing property in estate context. And then also for people that do not plan in time with estate planning documents, guardianship and conservatorship hearings, that is establishing the financial and health well-being around someone that's now incapacitated. And so, Abby, it's a delight to be with you.
Thank you. It's great to be here.
Yes, thank you. And we so welcome you to the firm. You've so impressed us with that clerkship. Really has brought an amazing level of experience for our clients. Where did you attend high school, college, undergrad?
Yes, so I attended Glen Allen High School right over in Henrico. I followed that up with an undergrad degree in psychology at James Madison University. And then my law school immediately after was at West Virginia University College of Law.
And so if some people were wondering, what would you tell folks? What was it like to be a law clerk in Hanover Circuit Court last year?
It was an amazing experience. I got to meet a lot of attorneys. I got to help a lot of people locally in Hanover. And I got to meet a lot of judges, specifically the two that I clerked for. And I got to obtain a lot of experience through that to see how they decide cases.
Abby is now skillfully negotiating cases out of court, but for a small percentage of our matters, court is absolutely needed, and there's just no other option but going to court. What would you tell someone that's maybe a little emotional, maybe a little nervous on that morning of court, how they should prepare?
Yeah, I would say it's okay to be nervous. Everyone's nervous when they go into court. And a good attorney will be able to calm your nerves a little bit. And once you get settled into the routine of the court procedures, you should feel at ease and just know that it's okay to be a little anxious because it's a really important matter in your life that the court is deciding.
Abby was just helping us yesterday with an estate litigation matter. And one of the keys to easing your nerves is preparation. And that's where Abby really shines. She will meet with you in a comprehensive case preparation meeting here at our firm, and then skillfully guide you to the solution that's outlined in that first case preparation meeting. And Abby, welcome to Smith Strong. We're delighted to have you, and I know our clients are already benefiting from your law clerkship experience, your education, and just your personable, calm manner in which you carry people through some really tough moments in their lives. So we're honored to have you, and we welcome you to Smith Strong.
Thank you.